everybody, this is Maria D with the Wreath Machine coming to you today with the Wreath Lock and the Wreath Lock adapter. So what I want to show you is if you have a super thick wreath and you're having a hard time putting your wreath lock on it, I'm going to show you an alternate way to hang your wreath and protect it from theft. So what you want to do is you want to take your wreath and you want to flip it over upside down. You want to find a spot on the back of your wreath where you can place your wreath lock adapter. So what I'm going to do is, in between this spot, take the adapter, pass it up and through. Once you get it on the wreath, you want to take your wreath lock hook. You want to flip it upside down facing the wreath, and then you want to pass it through the two legs on the adapter. Just like that. Once you do that, you want to pull the wreath lock hook all the way up. So now it is installed. Easy installation. Then you want to flip your wreath back over, take it over to your door, and hang it up. Once you place this on the door and close the door and lock it, the wreath will be unable to be easily removed at this point. Thus, theft deterrent. So, if you'd like to purchase your wreath lock, which comes with an adapter today, go to Etsy, type in wreath lock, or copy and paste the link below. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. Have a great day.